In season 2, we spent a lot of episodes. We focused on creatives engaging a lot of time in abduction. No, not kidnapping. Abductive reasoning, the logic of design. This is about forming a logical hypothesis of who your target audiences are. This reasoning, based on research, reveals insights on the target audience's lived experiences. In turn, this provides creatives clues to what familiar qualities and resemblances to known things the audience will perceive, which creatives can then semiotically hack. Peirce says nothing is a semiotic sign until it is first interpreted as a sign. Without knowing what a panda is, an audience would never arrive at an interpretation of a drawing of a panda as a panda. What comes first, the semiotic sign or the image? Let us not think in binary terms.